So if you guys can't wait, then go ahead, grab a drink, get comfy, because you never know, this just might be your new color for the new year. All right, so the first one is actually the one I'm wearing right now. I put on the wig, and it is a soft blonde color. You could see celebrities like Hailey Bieber wearing it. You could see people like Sophia. She loves wearing these colors, especially Hailey Bieber. She pulls off this beautiful color all the time. She always has like a slick back bun, or she has her hair down and just flatters her face, makes her look like she has this glow from within. And it's that perfect blonde. It's kind of like we're kind of moving away from like when I was younger. Like I always grew up with like Christina Aguilera, Britney Spears, Jessica Simpson, where we had that icy blonde, very yellowy tone sometimes hair. And I always grew up wanting that type of blonde. But instead, we're kind of moving away from that, and we're going into something a little bit softer on the face, more flattering, more forgiving. And I feel like that hair color is just so pretty, especially if you have darker features. I always wanted to go that platinum blonde. And as you guys can see, with brown eyes, brown eyebrows, it just kind of clashed. It always clashed. But I grew up with cousins that were all super icy blondes and blue eyes, and I just like wanted to be that blonde so bad. And so I feel like now with this color coming in, I feel like I'm still getting that blonde look without that harsh icy tones that are like kind of draining for my skin complexion. I feel like now I don't have to change up my foundation. You don't have to change up your makeup, what you wear. It's just like one of those tones that is a mix perfectly of blonde and brown mixed together. It's